Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn how to manage site permissions on Chrome specifically, how to handle when websites ask to know if you're using the same device. It's a simple but powerful privacy feature that helps you control how much information websites can access about your browsing habits. Let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and that Chrome is up to date so you have all the latest privacy settings. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. That's the menu icon that opens your settings and more Chrome options. From there, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can manage everything from passwords and privacy to site permissions and browsing data. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Site Settings. This section controls what information websites can access, such as your camera, location, or notifications. It's also where you can customize what websites know about your device activity. Now, under Site Settings, find and tap on your device use. This is the option that lets you decide whether sites can detect if you're using the same device. It's a handy feature that improves personalization while still keeping your privacy in check. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to your device use. When this setting is on, Chrome can tell websites when you're using the same device, which can make your browsing experience smoother and more consistent.